Good morning, everyone. I am Subham Sri from Surat, Gujarat. I have completed my graduation in Commerce stream from Vinayaka Missions University, Tamil Nadu. Later, I have completed one stack development course at NxtWave, and I have hands-on experience with the technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQLite, React.js and Node.js. I have built many static, responsive and dynamic websites, and I have also worked as an academic validator at MBI Bengaluru, and I am very passionate about technology. So with my work and experience, I will perform better as a data analyst at Flow.ai, and I am open to learn in my role continuously. That's all about me. Let's talk about my project. So throughout the journey, I have worked on various projects. One of my project is Todolist. This application is very similar to Google Keeps, where user can keep a track of their daily task. They can able to add the to-do items, they can able to delete the to-do items, they can also able to mark it as a complete when the task is completed. There is also additional feature I have added in this application, that is persisting a to-do item. So whenever the app is reloaded, the data will be persist as earlier. Let's talk about the tools and technology I have used in this application. So for the basic structures, I have used HTML. For the styling part, I have used CSS. And for the dynamic parts, I have used JavaScript. If I talk about my approach for building the application, so first I divided all the features in the subtask. Like in the to-do application, first I started adding the to-do items. After that, I have added a feature for deleting the to-do items. And then I have added a feature for marking it as a completed. And at last, I have added the feature for persisting a to-do item while reloading. It was a great experience for me for learning about the local storage provided by the browsers. And I understood following up the best naming convention and descriptive names is the industry best practices. So I implemented them, and I have also used different functions for each and every responsibilities so that it is easy to debug and test. That's all about my projects. Thank you.